Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the email of your TradingView account. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to TradingView website. After you are in the website, make sure to log in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this home page. In this page, you can see your profile icon over here. Click on it. In order to change your email address, you need to go to your profile settings. Click on profile settings. This is your profile settings page. If you scroll down over here, in the private details section, you can see change email button. Click on it. It will first send a verification code to your registered email first. So click on send code. Now you need to check the email for the verification code. Open the email from TradingView. Copy this code. Now paste it over here and click on submit button. Now you will be prompted to change your email into your new email address over here. After that, enter your password. And once you're done, click on save changes button. And that's it. You've successfully changed the email of your TradingView account. It's a very simple process. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.